Namaste. Welcome to Pratibimb once again. I am Praveen Mankar and I am here to take you forward in the right technique of inhalation. Good inhalation is always through the nose because the nose has a built-in filtration system. It's not a good idea to inhale through the mouth. However, there is a limitation in the nose. There is a bone out here and bones don't expand. In the throat, there are muscles and muscles expand. So we are going to use this technique of throat widening by expanding the muscles of the throat, facilitating a smoother passage of air into your lungs so that a larger quantity of air will enter your lungs in the same time of your inhalation. How do you do that? All of us yawn when we are tired or sleepy. In yawning, we open our mouth and air rushes through the throat into our lungs. Yawning is a mechanism when there is fatigue factor in the body and the body demands extra doses of oxygen, and when that happens, we yawn. So we utilize the same technique. We will yawn, but we will not yawn with our mouths open. We will yawn with our mouths closed, and you can feel two things. You can feel the throat muscles widening here when you are yawning with your lips closed, and you will also feel a flow of cool air as the air goes in. Now yawning has two components. One is inhalation and the other is exhalation. When you yawn, you normally do something like this. So this is taking in air and throwing out air. We will use both factors of taking in air and throwing out air, but with our lips closed and widening our throat muscles. So let me do the demo for you right now. First, I am going to empty out my lungs by exhaling using the pressure cooker whistle technique, which was shown to you in an earlier video. And then I am going to inhale with widened throat, and then I am going to exhale with widened throat. You will notice the difference in the inhalation and exhalation. My chest will rise when I am inhaling and my chest will collapse when I am exhaling through the nose. So watch again. I'll do a third demo, and this time I'm going to exhale through my nose and create a sound at the throat so that you will understand that the entire breathing process is happening at the throat and not at the nose. When I am doing the inhalation and the exhalation, you will not hear the sound of my breathing when I am doing it through the nose. The only sound you will hear is when I am exhaling through the mouth. The nasal breathing sound will not be heard. I will create a sound at my throat to enable you to understand how exhalation happens. So here is the demo. You are not supposed to make the sound. This sound was created only to enable you to understand that I am exhaling and I am using the power of the throat for exhaling. You will not hear any sound of air coming in Common man, if he is asked to take a deep breath, you will hear this sound. This sound will not be heard in the technique which we are teaching. I'll come back with new videos teaching you some breaths. Thank you. Take care.